Hi, I'm Siegel and I'm the investment property specialist here at Integrity Personal Insurance. Today I want to talk to you about vacant rental properties, the insurance implications to your Texas dwelling policy, and the options available if you are faced with this situation. First of all, let's look at the reason the property is vacant. Most likely it's because you just purchased the house and plan to do some rehab work prior to having a tenant move in. Maybe you're just planning on fixing it up for resale and have no intention of leasing it. Or perhaps a tenant just moved out and you're in the process of looking for a new one. Regardless of the situation, every policy should carry a vacancy clause. That is usually for 60 days. Be sure to check your policy to make sure that is included. So what happens to your coverage after the building is vacant for 60 consecutive days? In most cases, the policy is automatically modified, so certain perils or causes of loss are no longer covered. The insurance company will no longer cover losses by fire or lightning, vandalism or malicious mischief, and some carriers do not cover theft. So to avoid this from happening, there are a few options to consider. First, instead of initially purchasing a dwelling fire policy, a better choice may be a vacant dwelling policy. Vacant dwelling policies can be purchased for a 3, 6, or 12-month period. This allows you to get the rehab work done at your own pace and have time to find a suitable tenant to move in without worrying about rushing to get things done in 60 days. Another option to consider if you're doing a substantial amount of rehab work is to purchase a builder's risk policy. Like the vacant dwelling policy, it is available for a 3, 6, or 12-month period. I'll be discussing the intricacies of the builder's risk policy in an upcoming video. Finally, if you do purchase a dwelling fire policy, consider getting one that offers the option of adding a vacancy permission endorsement. This endorsement can be added after the 60 consecutive days of vacancy, and now perils such as fire and lightning, and vandalism and malicious mischief are not excluded. The vacancy permission can be very expensive, costing over $2,000 per year, but if it's only going to be added for a few days or weeks until you can get a tenant moved in, your actual prorated cost will be minimal. If you choose this route, make sure you have a plan in place to be alerted as you approach the end of the 60-day vacancy period. Set a reminder on your smartphone or ask your insurance agent to set up a follow-up date for, say, day 56 or 57, so there is sufficient time to add the endorsement if you don't have a tenant lined up yet, or if the rehab work is still not completed. Getting the right type of policy up front will help you avoid unforeseen problems and keep your investment properly protected. I'm Siegel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos.